The Prophet ﷺ said, "Kun fi dunya ka'annaka gharib or abr sabil." The Prophet ﷺ said, "Be in this life as if you're a stranger or a traveler." And what that means, ahabati fillah, is don't overly invest yourself in this life, in this worldly life, thinking that you're going to, that this world is your salvation, and this world is all your happiness, and this world is all your pleasure. That doesn't mean you should be depressed and in a state of sadness and remorse, but rather look forward to the hereafter and strive to get there. Wa sallallahu wa sallam ala nabiyyina Muhammad.